That's only a little one. This one down there.
I still think here it is, the pulsejet pad XUAV Mini Talon, and as you can see there's a lot of silver tape on this model. I've put tape all over here because this is where the pulsejet's going to be radiating heat. The centre section, that's got 2 layers of tape. Couldn't find my ceramic blanket, so I'm hoping 2 layers will be enough. Foam silver tape there, tape here, and the tail, of course, a lot of reflective aluminium tape on here to try and stop the heat from the motor melting the tail surfaces. We'll see whether that works, not quite so sure. Up front I have the tank in here just directly below the flowjector, they call it, the little spray bar in there that atomises the fuel. So in theory, when we throw it really hard, there won't be a loss of fuel to the motor. There will be some problems, I think, with the fact that the tank is so much lower than the motor, but we can't avoid that. So pulling G's, the motor might stop, so tight turns could be a little bit problematic, but we'll find out. We can always make mods later. If it really gets bad, we could put the tank up here in the front, keep it up a high level with the motor, but I'd rather see if it flew like this. Or I could put a pressure tap on the motor, so the combustion pressure, just like the expansion chamber on a glow muffler, can provide pressure to help pressurize the tank, and that reduces the effective head, so G-forces don't matter quite so much. But we'll try and find out. Now I'm just running bank and yank at the moment. I didn't put rudder on the ailerons, can't be bothered. It may be a short flight, hardly worth the effort, so see how we go. And that's it. Comes with this convenient carrying handle, especially when the motor's running, so I don't recommend it. So now it's time to give the motor a quick test run, warm it up, because they always start better when they're warm, take it out, give it a throw, see how it goes.
Might give it a try then, because it did sort of run, but I think it'll stop as soon as I pull any G's. So what we'll do is we'll start it. I will take the leads off, pick up my transmitter, and I will just go to you, thumbs up. Yeah. You pick it up, run and throw, and then we get a bag for bits.
once yeah, speak to the camera, Bruce. Tell us what just happened.
Yeah, the fuel tank level is too low, so we're going to have to change the tank position, or I'll probably put a pressure tap on the motor. But pulse jets are not very good at drawing fuel over a long height, and we've got probably, I don't know, 75 to 80 millimeters of draw there. It just doesn't have enough fuel suction to bring the fuel up and keep going. So that means some changes to the design. It's always a problem with pulse jet motors. Putting a tank underneath them, you really have fuel draw problems. There are other ways of doing it. I might make a tank up I can put on the front here, which will be at a closer level to the spray bar, and we'll see how we get on with that. But at least we haven't melted it. It is still intact despite all the heat that's been going on here. That's got to be a good thing. So it'll be back to the drawing board temporarily. There'll be another FixedWing Friday when hopefully we will get it in the air. But as I said, this is a project. It's a mission and underway. We'll just have to see what we can do. It's great. It's a challenge.
And it's
Thank you for watching.
Can't we just...
So that's it. That's the XUAV Mini Talon pulsejet project. It is far from over. We will be doing a lot more work on this, because I really do think it's going to be possible to make a low-cost pulsejet powered model, for very simple to put together. And the solutions to this, well, there's several. I'm going to try a couple of different solutions. The most obvious one is to move the tank up here so it's higher, sit it on this area here, and that would reduce the fuel head, but it's going to put it further forward. It's going to make it, the CG will change more as the fuel goes down, but we'll just have to experiment. I know these Talons are a bit CG sensitive, which could be an issue, but we might just have to try that out. The easiest way is going to be to put a little fuel tank up here and just try it. At least that'll get around the fuel head problem. So stay tuned. That's probably what I'm going to do first of all, just move the tank or put another tank up here, see how we get on. There you go. Questions, comments, the usual place. That's a FixedWing Friday for Saturday.
and I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned. More fixed wing stuff coming up. I've been so damn busy building fixed wing stuff. I can't show you what's over there because that would give the game away. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.